Hello, dear students. In this lecture, we are going to start with the second passage, which is entitled as The Surprising Benefits of Coloring Books for Adults. Since we are in the department of kindergarten, we need such kind of activities that keeps the fun and the benefit in the same time. So it achieves two missions in the same aspect or in the same activity. So let's follow the same strategy in answering the questions. Let's first start with reading the paragraph, understanding its major theme, and then try to follow the sentences one after the other so that we can answer the questions. Let's start with the passage. Coloring books are no longer just for children. Adults have found that coloring can offer surprising benefits for the well being. Engaging in coloring activities can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of relaxation and calm. It allows adults to focus on the present moment, fostering mindfulness. Coloring also stimulates creativity and self expression, providing an outlet for artistic exploration. Many adults find that coloring serves as a form of therapy, aiding in emotional healing and improving mood. It offers a simple and enjoyable way to disconnect from the demands of daily life and find inner peace. The popularity of adult coloring books has grown as more people discover the unexpected benefits and joy that coloring can bring to their lives. So, from reading the whole passage, we can figure out that coloring books are no longer for children. They are also working for adults and they have some psychological benefits. So, after exploring all these benefits and all the psychological aspects that can give, they are rising the energy, they are somehow working on the mental uh, expectations of adults as well, and they can also enhance self expression. So they can work as an outlet for all, for children and for adults as well, since we are somehow having different kinds of stress and stress sources in our lives. So we need some sort of an outlet to get out of all these stresses. So let's start to follow the sentences one by one so that we can answer the questions. Well, coloring, the first one is coloring books are just for kids. False, because here we are experiencing something about how coloring books can affect the mood of adults. So it's false. Number two, engaging in coloring activities can help reduce stress and anxiety. True, yes, because this is the major objective of using coloring books for adults. It works as an outlet for them to reduce the stress and anxiety coming from what they are feeling for the whole day because of the work, because of their jobs, because of يعني some personal circumstances, whatever they are, but they were working for them as a psychological therapy. Okay, number three, coloring activities help adults to focus. Yes, true. They are working on the mental psyches of people. So, number four, few adults find that coloring serves as a form of therapy. No, not few. Here, students, just pay attention that the word few in the first line. Here it is underlined, which shows that you have to pay attention to this word, whether it is true or false. So here we are saying, if we are going back to the paragraph, we can find not few, but a lot of people, adults, have found that coloring can offer surprising benefits. So he is talking in general. Since he's talking in general, the word few, which shows something a very small amount, or a very small number of people here. It is the contrary. Most of adults believe in that, so it is false. Number five, coloring activities promote a sense of relaxation and calm. Yes, true, because this is also a major theme or a major objective for using coloring books for adults. So, number six, coloring activities do not improve the mood. False. Of course, they are changing the mood. They are rising the energy boost here and rising the focus or the concentration levels of adults. So, the seventh one and the last one is coloring books offer a simple and enjoyable way to disconnect from the demands of daily life. Yes, true. That's why he called it as an outlet. You can find it in the passage. He refers to it with the term outlet. The term outlet means is that it is used as a means to get out of all the stresses you can have in life because of different reasons, but this is one of the main ways that are used by therapists, psychological therapists, to help adults to get out of all these stresses. So, after reading this passage and answering these questions, I hope that you've understand how you are going to analyze the paragraph to understand it with its general theme, then trying to following its sentences one by one because each one of them is giving a new idea, and that's why each one of them is trying to answer one of the questions given in the list below. Thank you so much.